Unlock the full power of your eBay selling with the eBay API. Are repetitive tasks slowing down your eBay business? Manual inventory updates, order processing, and listing modifications can eat up valuable time and lead to costly errors. The eBay API acts as your automated assistant, connecting your existing business tools directly to eBay for seamless data exchange and task execution. Automate inventory synchronization to prevent overselling and ensure accurate stock levels across all your channels. Programmatically manage your listings, updating pricing, descriptions, and quantities in bulk to save hours of manual effort. Go beyond automation to gain actionable insights. The eBay API provides access to sales data, customer behavior patterns, and market trends, enabling informed decisions to optimize your strategy. Integrating the eBay API streamlines your operations, minimizes errors, and significantly boosts your overall sales efficiency, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. Ready to transform your eBay selling? Explore the capabilities of the eBay API and drive your business forward.